tuned properly.
They are? Okay. All right.
No,
awesome, man.
It does pretty much like 60s at 29 hertz.
Brutal. What's up, man? All right. Yeah, man. I'll come in. You cooling off?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna get some info then. All right, so you are considered, what's your name?
Loud Grandpa.
Loud Grandpa, all right.
Number one, yes.
Yes, sir. So
we have new subwoofers, the Sundown team, Ferrite V2s. Not sure exactly what soft parts they put in. I think it's a Mega Roll V2, 8-layer, dual 1 ohm copper coils. Still running the 4 Sundown 7500s on 200 amp hours of proto cells and 1 Singer alternator.
Yeah. Wow.
That's about it.
Only 415s doing that too.
We're going to redesign the enclosure.
You are?
Hopefully
Okay.
this year.
Okay.
Yep. The enclosure was not specifically built for those, but they'll get there.
Yes, sir. So what are the tunings?
Oh, don't call me out on that.
Do you know the tunings of the frequencies?
Don't call me out on that. I
Don't worry about it if you don't know.
Because honestly, the top and bottom aren't tuned properly.
They are? Okay. All right.
No,
awesome, man.
It does pretty much like 60s at 29 hertz.
Brutal. I like the. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been working on it for 3 years.
Yes, sir.
It's
Wow.
been a numerous amount of different stuff inside of the shell.
Okay.
And we're going to redo it again one more time. This time I think we're going to actually seal it off at the B pillar. Not all the way to the front of the B pillar, but the back of the B pillar.
back of it. Yep.
Yeah, even if it swoops back in, I like my seat space.
That's right. Yes, sir.
Yeah, well,
Thank you, man.
It drives
Yes,
everywhere.
sir. That's right. Awesome, man.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Yeah, man. Brutal hair tricks.
Before I sell my car. wife before I sell my car. Before I sell my car.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.